Yo.
I got two about the season book, which are very short, and I got one book called Day and Night.
Oh, that's fun. Maybe you can bring them next time. Or during the break if you can.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is a little poem, and it's called The Sun. Oh, The Sun and the Moon by Elaine Laron. Okay, so it looks like it's a short little poem. So the sun is filled with shining light. It blazes far and wide. The moon reflects the sunlight back, but has no light inside. I think I'd rather be the sun that shines so bold and bright, than be the moon that only glows with someone else's light.
So I know words. Can I find rhymes?
Sure.
Okay. I found like not good, not bad.
起来，汉语词语读音为定。
Okay, so first, light, wide, back, inside. So I think wide and inside. And inside, like
Right.
eyed.
Right. Wide and inside.
And the bright and the light.
Very good.
And the light was white.
Not really, but the ones that you have there are good. Wide inside, bright light. Those are really good. Okay, so I actually really like this poem because first of all, it explains to us why the moon shines, right? So it says here.
I know why the moon shines. Because when you the moon, if it's no sun, you will not see the moon. The moon shines where like the moon, because of the earth turning, the sun is changing places. So every time at night you see the moon, it's always a different shape. And then you know like the shines on the moon, so the earth can see it.
Right.
And if like the earth is moving away like a different path from the sun, then like you'll only see a tiny like something like this. Do? What do?
Right. So I really like this poem because, like you said, it is telling us that the moon only shines because it is reflecting the sun's light, right? So there was no sun, we wouldn't be able to see the moon, right? It would just be like a dark circle. So this author is saying, I think I'd rather be the sun that shines so bold and bright than be the moon that only glows with someone else's light. So the author is saying that if she had the option to be the moon or the sun, what would she be?
The sun.
She would be the sun, right? Because she doesn't want to be the moon that doesn't have its own light, right? Okay. So go ahead and read this poem, please, Alita.
The sun is filling with shiny light. It blasts far and wide. Places, blasts. Oh yeah, it's super like places. Far and wide. The moon reflects its sunlight back, but has no light inside. I think I'd rather be the sun. It shines so long and bright. Than be the moon that only glows with someone else's light. Like these circles I brought. So this is right like the moon, very small. And this is the earth and the sun.
Okay, good.